This is Ryan with Escotech, and I'm here with another Dell Optiplex system that we've upgraded to a gaming PC. This time we've got an Optiplex 990 that we've upgraded with an EVGA Nvidia GTX 960. Our full system specs are an i5 2400 with a 3.1 GHz base clock and a 3.4 GHz turbo, 8 GB of DDR3 at 1333 MHz, 500 GB 7200 RPM hard drive, and the Nvidia GTX 960. This EVGA card is a short version that allows it to fit in the case easily, but still provides plenty of cooling. We're using the stock Dell power supply that's rated at just 265 watts, but it's an 80 plus gold unit that handled the GTX 960 surprisingly easily. Under full load, this power supply would pull right at 300 watts from the wall, but the entire system's input wattage never went over 170 watts during our benchmark runs. We're going to do another video on power usage later, so here's a quick look at our benchmark results. Mark Skydiver scored 15,664. Mark Firestrike scored 5,855. And Allbenchmark Catzilla scored 17,933. These tests again show the feasibility of turning a used off-lease Dell computer into a great upper mid-range gaming PC. While it might not have the flash of most gaming PCs, it performs very well, and not every PC needs a side panel window or an LED light kit. While those can look pretty cool, they really don't do anything to help performance. Be sure to keep an eye out for our other videos on this system, and until next time, thanks for watching.